Hello everybody, I am Shilpa, Reiki and Lama Fera Grandmaster. Today I will talk about palindromic sequences or palindromic dates or the energy portals. Why they are important, what is their significance, what should we do when they occur in our calendar. So let's start. Palindromic dates or sequences are such as 1 1 1 1 1 1 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 3 3 and so on. These sequences are called palindromic or these dates are palindromic dates because when you read it from right to left or left to right, they will appear same. They carry special significance energy wise. For example, in the year 2002, that carries energy of 2 as well as 4 and it caused so much uncertainty in the world. Similarly, in the year 2020, which also carry energy of 2 as well as the energy of 4, again it caused chaos in the whole of the world. In the current year, that is 2022, it is also carrying energy of 2, 4 and 6. 2 is responsible for intuition, creation of relationship, creativity, etc. While 4 is responsible for causing chaos and uncertainty. That we have seen in this year also, that so much chaos has been occurred in the world. For example, there was a big flood in our country as well in our neighboring country, Ukraine war, and so many incidents that cause chaos and uncertainty. And number 6 signifies luxury, comfort, prosperity and abundance. You must have seen that in this year there are so many things happen that the combination of energy of 2, 4 and 6 got married or get into the relationship. They have made some partnerships. Some people got the chaotic year and some people got the luxurious life or comfort or abundance thing in their life this year. And some people have all the combination of all. If somebody is just started the business, he must have taken support of other people. There was a chaos and there must be some profit also. So this year is a combination of all these numbers 2, 4 and 6. Now talk about what is the significance of repeating number or repeating date and what we should do on these repeating dates. One such date is coming tomorrow, that is 11th of November, that is 1-1 and 1-1. As I told you, on these dates some energy portals are open which we can utilize for manifestation of our wishes and desire. Let's discuss things to do on these particular dates. Number 1 is make a list whatsoever you want in your life. Then visualize that things that they are already come into the existence and keep doing this thing till your desires or your goals are actually manifested in this physical world. Number 2, you should do meditation on this particular day. That will be beneficial for you. Number 3 that you can do is to do any spells, spells or any ritual that you want to do on this day. You can do. Write your goals and everything on 11/11. If possible, write it on 11:11 AM or 11:11 PM. One bonus for all, if somehow you forgot this to do it on 11/11, then not to worry, just do this ritual on next day or day after. And when you do these ritual and when you are writing your goals or scripting, doing any scripting, then please consider in your mind that today is 11/11 only and time is also 11:11 AM or PM, because our mind doesn't know difference between reality and imagination. If you imagine today is the day, he will think today is the day. Do any of these and share your experience with us. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and like and subscribe our channel so that you can get videos related to health, money and spiritual growth regularly. And please hit the bell icon so that you will not miss any update. Thank you. Namaskar.